I'm going to do one more example in case this is a bit messy. I'm going to have log base 2. Let's pass 8 again. And I'm going to say plus log of, let me add the base here. So the base, and it's going to be 32. We're saying here that this is the same thing as log of 8 times 32. And this here should normally be the same as log 256, because if you do 8 times 32, you get 256. So now let's try and count how many times we should multiply the base by itself to get the values in between parentheses. So here we would have 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is 8. And then here we're going to have 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is 8, times 2, which is 16, times 2, which is 32. Because we are dealing with logarithms, you can think of the multiplication here, right? Because we are seeing here log 256 is the same thing as a plus b, we're basically saying here that you can still add a multiplication symbol here. If you add up these together, by now you get 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, by now you get 8, times 2, it's 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128, times 2, 256. So altogether now, you have 256, which is what we're looking for here. Remember, like I said, you need to count how many times you're multiplying the base by itself. So let's start counting. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer here should be 8. I'm going to write it clearer now. 2 times 2 times 2. This tells us that the log base 2 of 8 is 3. Plus, because we're doing log A plus log B, the log of 32 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. This here, log base 2 of 32 is 5. So this altogether is 8, which is the same thing as the value that we had by counting altogether how many times we multiply the base to get 256. So I hope that this video is not too messy and that you understand. Otherwise, please leave your comments and I will try and reply to you. Please stay tuned to learn more about mathematics for AI and machine learning.